This is about as unboxing as I'll ever get. And my wife is finally helping me with the video. You can talk too. Okay, I just got this. It's called the iNAP. It stands for intermittent negative air pressure. So instead of a CPAP that blows, this one sucks. I'm gonna get closer so you can get a little. This is the first time I've opened it. I'm gonna be trying it out tonight. So, dry pad, I think this is, they talked to me about it. It is a saliva pad to suck up my spit. What is this? A tubing set, so that's gonna be like the plastic tubing, it looks like. What is that? Oral interface. Okay, so this is like the little mouth guard. From what I saw, it looks like a little football mouth guard piece. Pretty far away. You're doing a very good job. Yes. So we have this. That piece that I suck on, attach here, and it's going to be suctioning. I probably couldn't put that in the box it got traveled in. Power supply, and then looks like this is the main housing unit. Somnics. So this thing, they told me, because it's intermittent negative pressure, it's not on all the time. It just sucks enough that it pulls your tongue, soft palate, jaw, that tissue forward, and then it shuts off. So apparently you can get like 7 nights out of it. But that's it. I'm going to be trying this out tonight just to get used to it, probably tomorrow night as well. And I'm most likely going to be using my home sleep testing equipment to try to compare the two and see if it actually helps with it and without it. That's what I would like to do, so stay tuned for that video. Thanks, bye.
Wow, you've got yourself a stinky mask. Pick up some Mask Bright today. Thank you to all watching, but an extra thick thanks, buddy, to Patricia Espelong, Ray Troutman, Sarvesh Joshi, Stuart Hetherington, Matthew Lilly, and Mona Swearingen. And thank you to my other level Patreon supporters, as well as my YouTube members. Especially Susie Balvez. I left you off the last one. I'm so sorry.